Welcome back, Tara from Inner Bloom with me. I know it's been a while, but God had been working on me. God has been revealing some things to me, elevating me, doing the big one, okay? The first thing God revealed to me, your voice, that is your power to speak life, to speak healing, and to speak into your soul and to the souls of others. God prepared you slowly, emptying your cup completely to reset you so that when God pours back into you, God is pouring life back into you. You're not stuck. You're not just going through the motions. You have a gift that God has taken a lot of time to prepare you for. And one of those gifts is your voice. Your voice is power to speak life, speak healing, and speak to souls. This chapter, you will learn all about God's love. This chapter, God is pushing you and preparing you. So everything that felt comfortable to you is no longer comfortable because you have to be pushed past that point of fear where you're taking fear along with you, one step at a time. All God wants you to do in this season is trust yourself and trust the divine. You're locked in. Your discernment is on 1,000. But when fear creeps in, stagnation feels like it's happening, confusion starts to come around, you have to disconnect to reconnect. Silence the noise. Sometimes the reason you feel stuck isn't because you're lost. It's because you've been too connected to everything except yourself, your purpose, and God. So today, we're disconnecting from noise so we can reconnect to the truth. Whoever I'm talking to, if you feel stuck, disconnect from the world. Disconnect from everything that is familiar and go into prayer. Go into your prayer room. Go into your prayer corner, your prayer closet to bring you in connection with God. Disconnect from everything else so that you can reconnect with the divine, because that's where God resides. Distractions will always exist. You were blessed with tools to combat distractions. You know the tools that God gave you. You are on the cusp of your breakthrough. Stay calm. Trust God and stay the course. Your breakthrough is right around the corner. Fear will always try to creep in, but your faith, yes, your faith outweighs any fear. You are on the cusp of your breakthrough. Stay calm, trust God, and stay the course.